put it on a recorder. All kinds of sounds of trumpets in the sky this morning. Sounds of horns. Very strange. It's presently 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30. It's been going on for about 10-15 minutes, the sounds. Seems to stop and then it goes around. It goes in different areas. This is my backyard. There's my closed up my my balcony there. Again. Wow. It's really something. It's been I listen to these sounds on YouTube, and the wind's picking up. Some say it's the sounds of angels sounding the horns. It's been going on all across the planet the last couple of years. So today we're the 12th of December, 2017. Here it is again. Amazing. I'm gonna sign out now. It's too cold.